Dancehall artist Ding Dong recently dropped his new single, Lie. The cinematic video released yesterday tells the story of relationship woes between a couple. Lie was produced by JA Productions and directed by African Kid. The video is trending #2 on YouTube and has already received tremendous feedback as fans praised Ding Dong for his creativity on the new visual. Lie also features the voice of Shenseea on the hook.
Me just a fake cry. Swear upon me kids, say me hide them joy. Me kiss the cross and say God believe me. But you not care when me looking at the sky. Me hold it out when you argue. All when you talk suicide.
Lie follows Ding Dong's track Summer Vibe single that was released in July. On the international scene, American singer Aaliyah, who died 20 years ago, music is finally available for streaming. The digital release of the Grammy-nominated Superstar studio album One in a Million was welcomed by fans after years of them begging for her music to be released. Aaliyah's catalog is available across streaming platforms via a partnership with Blackground Records 2.0 and Empire. One in a Million was her sophomore album and featured music with her longtime collaborators Missy Elliott and Timbaland, as well as rappers Slick Rick and others. Aaliyah came to prominence in the 1990s with several hits including Back and Forth and Are You That Somebody? This weekend, Fame Frequency presents Old and New School Edition. The party kicks off at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 on TVJ and will feature DJ Deli, Arif Cooper, and King Taj, and will be hosted by Jenny. Fame Frequency offers much-needed entertainment during the weekend curfew hours. Another must-watch on a Saturday night is the second season of Harris's production, Thicker Than Water, at 9 p.m. The drama-filled series kicked off last week Saturday and has been receiving great feedback. I'm Carrie Simpson reporting for ePrime.